my name is Jensen, and it is raining outside. And where did this rain come from? There's a cat outside. And everything goes fast.
And it cannot get out, and it's stuck in the rain. Look at that. You can see it.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Oh, sorry.
Can you see
Yeah, we can see it. It's afraid of the rain.
Cats do not like rain.
And let's check out from the inside of it. Front. And you can see the flood right here. It's raining. You can see it. You can see the flood right over there beneath the road. And it's coming down faster. Jeez, I cannot believe it. Jeez, I cannot believe it. Let's go into the bedroom and watch. Okay. I'm supposed to watch on it.
God told Noah to build an ark.
Let me show you. I draw Noah right here. I like that song.
God was unhappy with all the wicked people on the earth. He decided to flood.
God closed the opening as the waters rose, and the whole earth filled with watery mess, overflowed to the top of every.
God told Noah to build
Okay.
an ark.
Here's Noah. Except Noah loves God.
The cat's still there.
Okay, let's sit in here for a minute. Noah didn't play this with friends. When it's raining, let me show you. Rain is heavily and big thunder.
God told Noah to build an ark.
You can see it.
The earth for 140 days.
Gotcha. You can see it.
Fun science videos and lessons for grades K to 8.
And we have this one, you know. Okay.